Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country. Welcome today to the village of Welton in Northamptonshire. Behind me is Haycass Cottage, a beautifully built stone cottage overlooking open fields and with south-facing gardens. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Situated in a quiet lane in this popular village, where the Ofsted report for the local school is considered outstanding, this beautifully presented property enjoys excellent accommodation with versatile rooms. There's a drawing room with views to the front and the garden, and at the heart of the home is the kitchen, which leads off to the garden room and sitting room. There's built-in appliances, and the arch that leads through to the sitting room is a perfect place to sit and relax. Also has an additional dining area. The garden room, as expected, provides access to the rear terrace, whilst on the first floor there are 4 well-proportioned bedrooms. The master bedroom suite enjoys views to the front of the house and its own ensuite bathroom and built-in wardrobes. Bedroom 4 is a useful study, whilst bedroom 2 has views to the rear and further luxurious built-in wardrobes. The bathroom is beautifully appointed with a range of mosaic tiles. There's a corner bath, shower cubicle, and bedroom 3 enjoys views over the open fields to the front. A real delight of this house is its south-facing gardens, where they've been carefully designed to attract the summer sun. Sunken patio area and real water feature. You join me at the end of this tour in the beautiful south-facing gardens at Haycass Cottage, where the rear of this property and its proportions can be fully appreciated. If you'd like to join me for an exclusive viewing, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.